Today is the first day of the sex trafficking trial for Sean Diddy Combs, and jury selection is underway. Hundreds of potential jurors are being questioned about what they know about this case, which has dominated headlines for months. Jurors are also being asked about their feelings toward hip-hop artists and sexual assault victims. ABC's Rena Roy has a look at the trial's first day.
Hundreds of potential jurors are being questioned in the high-stakes criminal trial of hip-hop mogul Sean Diddy Combs. Combs listening in at the Manhattan courthouse as the judge asked jurors what they know about this case, what evidence they've already seen, and if they've watched this 2016 video obtained by CNN that shows Combs kicking and dragging singer and ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura at a Los Angeles hotel.
The judge has drilled down on some of those questions that they answered in the questionnaire to see whether or not they had any issues to serving in this trial.
One juror saying she'd seen a still image of it, describing it as a potentially damning piece of evidence. The judge asking, "Did you form any opinions of the guilt or innocence of Mr. Combs?" She responded, "I learned not to. Everything is alleged and there needs to be evidence presented."
Of course, they're all going to know who Sean Combs is, but they're going to need to find jurors who, despite the fact that they are familiar with Diddy, they still can be fair.
The judge also asking them whether they have any feelings about law enforcement personnel, hip-hop artists, or sexual assault victims that would prevent them from being fair and impartial. One prospective juror dismissed after she said listening to the kind of testimony expected would make her uncomfortable, saying she, quote, had a family member who went through something like that. One man indicated he's heard about the case on the radio and thought Combs was likely to have been involved in the alleged activities, but promised to form an opinion on the case based only on what happens in the courtroom. He was allowed to stay. Combs is facing a total of 5 federal counts of sex trafficking, racketeering, and prostitution-related charges. If convicted, he could face what amounts to life in prison. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.